If you have a clogged sink or a clogged toilet or a clogged drain, this video is a must for you. I'm going to show you how I pretty much instantly remove a big sink clog with the help of Drano Max Gel. Stay tuned for the whole video. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you a very terrible blockage. Like, check this out. We're going to put some water in here. Look at that. It is pulling. Look. This is a very, very bad clog. Now I'm going to show you this. This is a Drano Max Gel Pro. Not expensive at all. Now, whether you have a drain clog, or a toilet clog, or a shower clog, this Drano Max Gel can and will remove all your clogs. Let me show you how it works. First, we have to wait for our sink water to drain out completely. All right, so all the water is gone. Now let's take this. Now you should be able to use only half of this on that. This is also safe on metal and plastic pipes to get your clogs out. So again, if you have hair, if you drop any sort of organic matter in there, food particles, it will dissolve everything. Let's go and pour about half of this in here. So you can see that right away, it's all coming out. And we have about this much left. So we're gonna leave that. It's gonna take some time, but what's gonna happen is that as this gel gets slowly into the pipe, it's going to start eating and dissolving all the hair. So it's been about 1 minute, and I want you to listen very carefully because I can already start to hear it breaking down, and you can start to see that the bubbles are actually going inwards and it's letting go much faster than I thought. You see how it's speeding up? Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need a second, but we're still gonna let this sit for another 10 minutes. Oh yeah, that was quick. All right, so now that's drained, grab our boiling water and just pour it down the drain. Hopefully this will take care of it. Okay, oh wow, I can see that it's pretty much dissolved all the hair. That was, yeah, it's pretty much all of it that's dissolved. So there's tons of hair there. Now there is like none. It ate away. You see, we can probably still go one more time. We're gonna go and pour more. Oh, you can see it's still plugged up. There's still some obstruction deep, deep, deep in there. 20 minutes later, it's dissolved absolutely everything around there. There was so much hair there. Wow. All right, well, let's go and flush this again and put it there. So there should be no water holdup at all. This is warm water right now. There you go. It works. And like I said, whether it's your sink drains, toilets, showers, this will unclog absolutely everything. Thanks for watching.